What if I told you there are people in this world who succeed without fighting? They do not struggle like others. They do not compete for attention. Yet somehow everything works in their favor. People help them. Doors open for them. Even the enemies underestimate them. This is not luck. This is Oturupon Meji. Sit back and listen to the hidden significance of those born by Oturupon Meji. Oturupon Meji, also known as Ologbon Meji, is one of the most mysterious Odo in Ifa. It represents a destiny that rises quietly. These are individuals who move from nothing to something, to greatness, not by force, but by divine arrangement. Their progress is slow but certain, simple but powerful, and when they finally rise, people are left wondering, how did this person get here? Here is the greatest secret. They are always underestimated. Oturupon Meji people often appear quiet, simple, sometimes even unintelligent. They look like people who need help. And because of this, the world show them compassion. People feel guilty ignoring them. People rush to assist them. People open doors for them. Without knowing, they are helping destiny. But listen carefully. This is where many make mistakes. If they try to prove they are smarter than others, if they try to show off their intelligence, they will destroy their own blessings. Their power is in humility. Their strength is in calmness. Their victory is in being underestimated. Every great destiny attracts enemies. Oturupon Meji is no exception. But here is the twist. Their enemies do not fear them because they don't see them as threats. They laugh at them. They ignore them. They underestimate them. And that is why they fail. Because Oturupon Meji has a special gift. They escape traps. No matter the plans, no matter the setup, they always find a way out. But the painful truth is this. Sometimes their enemies are not strangers. They are families. People who expected them to fail, but now see them rising. Still, no matter the hatred, Oturupon Meji will succeed. There is one condition for this destiny to work. Character. Oturupon Meji must never be bitter, seek revenge, return evil for evil. Instead, they must choose love, patience, and understanding, because their victory is not just physical, it is spiritual. The moment they allow hatred into their hearts, they begin to lose their protection. Do not be deceived. These people are not foolish. They are deeply intelligent. They see what others don't see. They understand what others don't understand. And here is the truth. You cannot easily mislead an Oturupon Meji person. But if they try to mislead others, they will be exposed. If someone tries to deceive them, that person will be disgraced. So what do? They do not argue. They don't fight. They simply ignore bad advice and keep moving. Oturupon Meji are not meant to be alone. They strive in groups. They grow in communities. But here is the unique nature. They can be surrounded by many people and still reveal nothing to them. They listen, they observe, they move wisely. In relationship, especially for men, this is a warning. They must be careful in choosing a partner, because sometimes the one loved by everyone may become a source of pain to them. Must investigate deeply before committing. Despite all challenges, Oturupon Meji is a blessed destiny. Their children will bring them joy, their future will correct their past, and those who mock them will one day witness their greatness. Remember, you don't need to fight for greatness. You don't need to prove anything to anyone. Stay humble, stay calm, stay good, because the same one that overlook you will one day celebrate you. If this message resonates well with you, like this video, share with someone who needs to hear this, and subscribe for more deep wisdom from Ifa. Abobo.